Okay, I'll tell you one more time real fast before she comes. Did you hear about that girl who at the age of 16 started smoking marijuana and had to take on the responsibilities of the household? And she unknowingly started a hair business, and by the age of 17, let it go because she didn't realize the blessing she had of having her own business? Then at the age of 23, regretfully let go of the opportunity of having her own store as a result of the mental breakdown she was beginning to have? And then ultimately hated moving back to New York from California after losing everything she had worked for due to an unstable mindset she didn't realize was taking over. And who always had to give up her savings for her own apartment to pay for her childhood apartment she's trying so hard to move out of, but she can't because she's constantly having to give up her hard-earned savings to save the apartment, even to this day. So fast forward to her being in her mid-30s, surrendering on her knees to the Lord, giving him everything because she no longer could do it by herself. He began to show her the snakes in her garden, and one by one, she had to cut off people and things that were aiding into her mental and physical downfall. And now, she's living a healthier mental and spiritual lifestyle with an up-and-coming business that allows her to have fun and help others as well. That girl was me. I didn't tell you all of that for you to feel sorry for me. As I'm still overcoming my obstacles, so can you. Your past doesn't predict your future. You taking control does. If you're ready to learn how I'm overcoming and taking control of my obstacles, put ready in the comments. Oh, she's coming. I gotta go. Don't forget, you can hear that from me.